fridge and keeping it tidy. Do you love liners like I do? I'm trying this new brand for fridge liners. It's from this brand Cooyes, and it's really nice design, very elegant. And usually like I don't care about the colors, but this time I decided to bring something that is matching for all the drawers that I have. Instead of doing like pink and beige and whatever, I decided to clean up my fridge. So let's do this together with Cooyes. So here is my fridge shelves before. I'm gonna do a master cleanup today, and we're gonna see how it looks like after. These liners like come in two sets like these, and they include like 12 liners, and each liner is 12" by 24 inches, and they like minimize the mess in the fridge, and they are designed to protect the refrigerator drawers and shelves from spills and food spills. Let's open this. This has a 6 because like each set has 6, so a total of 12 liners. Very soft material. Wow, nice. And it has like non-slippery dots at the back, like silicone dots at the back, so once we place it on the shelf, it's not gonna slip. And very soft and like fur kind of material from the top. I'm so in love, and this gives me just enough to keep replacing them over time. Once like food spills on them or so and so, this will give me enough amount to keep replacing them and keep my fridge tidy. I'm gonna remove this old one, and I'm gonna place this new liner like that. Nice.